Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play solitaire dominoes. First, gather a standard set of 28 dominoes. Shuffle them thoroughly, face down on a flat surface. Each player then draws 7 dominoes to form their initial hand. The remaining 21 dominoes are set aside, forming the boneyard, which will be used throughout the game. This simple setup prepares you for an engaging solo challenge. The primary objective of solitaire dominoes is to be the first player to successfully play all of your dominoes onto the table. To begin, the first player selects any domino from their hand and places it face up in the center of the playing area. This domino establishes the starting point for the game. All subsequent plays will extend from this initial piece, matching ends as you go. When it's your turn, you must match one of your dominoes to an open end of a domino already on the table. Doubles, like a 6-6, are typically played perpendicularly to the main line, allowing for 2 new open ends. If you cannot make a move, you must draw one domino at a time from the boneyard until you find a playable piece. This ensures the game keeps moving forward. The game concludes when a player successfully plays their final domino, declaring themselves the winner. A key strategy involves planning several moves ahead to efficiently clear your hand. Try to maintain a diverse range of numbers in your hand to maximize your playing options. Thoughtfully playing your dominoes can open up new possibilities and help you achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.